What's up everybody? Welcome back to another recipe video. Today I'm going to be making this guy and you guys something very special. I'm going to be making pancakes, Dutch pancakes. They're called Pannenkoeken, and this is something that I had in the Netherlands and I fell in love with these, and they're very different from the American pancakes that you guys are used to. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Oh, I'm very looking forward to eat the, what should I say? Pannenkoeken. Pannenkoeken. Yes, and I'm not sure if that's exactly how you pronounce it. I'm most likely saying it wrong, but that's how I heard it. But these pancakes are nothing like the American pancakes, nothing like Japanese pancakes. They're much thinner. You can add, your favorite toppings. The one I had was topped with apples and cheese, so that's what I'm gonna be making for us today. I think you're going to like it. Alright guys, so this is a very simple recipe. First, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, a pinch of salt, 1 egg. We're gonna be using cheese today. This is a mixture of Gouda and cheddar. And of course we have an apple here, an apple from Satoshi's hometown. We got some butter for cooking the pancake, and we got some stroop, which is a syrup made from apples. The ingredients for the pancakes are just the flour, the milk, egg, and salt. And the cheese and the apples are just optional. So once again, you can add whatever you want. You can add like bacon, for example. Okay, so first things first, we're going to crack the egg into the bowl. So 1 egg. And by the way, this makes, I believe, how many pancakes? I'm not quite sure, maybe 2 pancakes? So we're going to whisk the eggs until it's slightly foamy. Now, if you were thinking that I'm gonna be making Dutch babies, that's not what I'm making. That's something that they serve at the original house of pancakes in America. And that's not even Dutch. That's what all my friends tell me in the Netherlands. They're like, what's a Dutch baby? Anyway, yeah, this is completely different. Okay, so this is my egg. As you can see, it's slightly foamy, so that's enough. We're gonna add in the cup of milk. Milk goes inside, and we're adding a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt. And then we're gonna whisk until it's combined. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then we are gonna add in 1 cup of flour while whisking, like this. There we go, there we go. Yeah. It's really simple pancake recipe. This pancake, I believe the batter is a lot thinner than Satoshi's pancakes, for example, right? Satoshi, your pancake is a lot thicker than this.
And mine is very thick.
Very thick, right? Yeah, so yours is like buttermilk pancake is like the more fluffier pancake, whereas the Dutch pancakes are a lot thinner. There we go, so that's the pancake batter, so it is ready. I'm a little bit nervous because I've never made this before. Yes, I'm actually making a video for you guys and I've never made it before, but it seems easy enough. So let's get into it. So I've turned on the heat. I'm gonna warm up my frying pan. Yeah, I think it's hot enough. And then we're gonna add in a little bit of butter. So we're gonna add in a little bit of butter. Yeah, and I'm using unsalted butter. You can use unsalted butter, salted butter, whatever you like. I don't think it makes that much of a difference. So just grease your frying pan. Plus, the butter adds some flavor to the pancakes. Okay, I'm going to add in maybe 1.5 ladleful of pancake. Swirl it around like that. And immediately you want to add in your toppings. So today I got some apples. So I add it right on top like this. Because right now it's apple season here in Japan. And some cheese. This is a mixture of Gouda and cheddar cheese. So let's add this. Doesn't that look good? So today we're adding apple and cheese just because this is what I had at the restaurant in the Netherlands. But Lawrence, my friend, he had bacon and cheese instead because of course he doesn't like fruit. But what would you add, Satoshi?
Like if you had a choice.
I will add soba.
Soba. So I think this is ready. I do have to admit that the pancake doesn't look that beautiful. It's not like perfectly round, but I think that's okay. Yeah, but that's the perfect color right there. That's what it looked like. And this is the size of our frying pan, but the pancakes are bigger in the Netherlands. They're actually, yeah, maybe like 1/3 bigger than the one I'm making today, but this is our biggest frying pan we have, so we have no choice. Can you smell the cheese?
I can smell the cheese, the grilling cheese.
Yes. Now the apple needs to be sliced very thinly because this is a thin pancake.
So how many times this pancake did you eat in Netherlands?
Oh, only once. I've had the other mini pancakes twice, the puffages, 2 times. I had the patat, which are like the potatoes. I had those like 4 times. And I was gonna go back to eat it one more time, but alas, we did not have enough time. Okay, so I think the pancake is ready. As you can see, I've already flipped it over again. I wanted this side to be the top so you guys can see what it looks like. The cheese should be brown, the apple should be a little bit brown. Okay, I'm gonna transfer this onto the plate right here. Yep, it just slides right on top of the plate. There we go. And there you have it, guys. Here is the Dutch pancake pannenkoek. Check it out. And I have to say, this is much smaller than the one I had in the Netherlands. But you know, this is the size of my frying pan, as you can see. I mean, this is as large as it gets. But you have your apples, you have your cheese. It may be a little overcooked, but that's okay because I like that char grilled areas. I love cheese when it's cooked like this and a little bit brown. We're gonna eat it with some of the stroop syrup. Oh, okay, maybe that's good enough. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, and then dig in. Now, if you guys don't have stroop, you can use maple syrup, I think. But it does give it a different flavor. This stroop, I kind of made it with some apple syrup that I got from our friends Tamara and Esther from the Netherlands. All right, so you ready?
Yep.
Take a bite. Take a bite. I hope you like it.
The cheese saltiness and apple sweetness, and this sauce is also sweet. And the pancake texture, it's what should I say? It's between crepe and pancake.
Yeah.
It's a little bit crepe side.
More like a crepe.
Crepe side.
Yeah. Definitely. But this is these are the pancakes that I had in the Netherlands. So I'm gonna take a bite. I want to see if it tastes close to the pancake I had in the Netherlands. We'll see because I have had the real one. So that's with a little bit of apple and the cheese and the pancake. That's pretty similar. Let me take one more bite. I do feel like maybe the pancake itself, I should have added a little bit more salt. So maybe you might add a little bit more salt. I went easy on the salt because I added cheese. No, it's very similar to the pancake I had in the Netherlands.
Really? Oh.
But I would definitely add a little bit more salt. But that's just my preference. I think you can adjust the salt to your liking. Maybe I should have added a little bit more cheese. I could have added a little bit more. Yeah, I was being a little skimpy on the cheese. But this is basically what I had. This is what I got from Esther and Tamara from the Netherlands. This is called rinse apple stroop. And I believe this is a apple syrup. It's a concentrated apple syrup, and it looks like this. Look at this. It looks like molasses. It's super thick.
For me, it looks like tonkatsu sauce.
Tonkatsu sauce. Well, it's nothing like tonkatsu sauce. Basically, I mixed in water with this to thin it out and
really?
make it more pourable because this is absolutely not pourable. Check it out. It's like it's this thick. Look how thick it is. So this is my homemade stroop. But once again, I think you can enjoy it with maple syrup or even powdered sugar, for example. No problem. You know, my next goal, one of my immediate goals is to take you to Amsterdam so you can eat the real thing. You know, at the real place. I really want to do that. I want you to experience Amsterdam. It was like one of the greatest places I've ever been to in my entire life. Thank you. You're welcome. You're very
I'm surprised.
welcome. You're surprised? Why are you surprised?
Because I didn't expect it. You take me to Netherlands.
Well, I took you to Singapore before. So why not Netherlands?
For me, the image, Netherlands is very far from Japan.
Well, it's much further than Singapore, that's for sure. I think it's about... Wait, how long did it take to go to Singapore? About 7 hours?
7 hours.
7 hours. So to the Netherlands, I think it's about 12 hours. I think direct flight, maybe 12. So it's just like 5 more hours. 5 more hours. That's actually a very long flight, to be honest with you.
5 more hours.
Yes. Sorry, I can only pay for economy class. I cannot afford 2 business class tickets. I hope that's okay. But it's a direct flight. Direct flight.
Sure.
Yeah? Yay! We're gonna go to Amsterdam and eat the real pancake. So that was my recipe for Dutch pancakes called Pannenkoek. I think it's Pannenkoek singular, Pannenkoeken plural. I believe so. Once again, if I'm totally wrong, correct me, my Dutch friends. Definitely give this one a try. Make sure to eat the pancakes when they are warm because right now it's a little bit cold. I definitely recommend you eating it as soon as you make them. And if you're like Lawrence and you don't like fruits, omit the apples altogether. Just cheese is fine.
Just cheese and bacon.
And bacon, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this recipe. If you did, don't forget to press that like button. And if you're new to our channel, TabiEats Cooking, please subscribe. And don't forget to press that notification bell. Super important, super, super important.
Thank you for watching. See you on next delicious recipe video.
Bye.